Alright, what is up guys? As always, welcome back to another video. Before we begin, please do like and subscribe, you're all absolute legends. And we're taking a look at XRP here. As we can see, looking like it's had a little bit of a correction over the past few days. Nothing too harsh, to be fair. We can see pretty clearly that XRP right now is having, a fairly decent time of it, to be honest. It's showing quite a lot of bullish intent. Obviously, we have broken out of this first bear market resistance, as I always mention. The breakout, backtest, and continuation, breaking above this 0.23 Fibonacci level as well. And now looking like we are trying to backtest that area, just like we did here. Although we did fall back inside the range here, didn't we? With that, I think we had a fairly decent rollover. I think is this the FTX collapse back here? Is it been that many days already? That's crazy, isn't it? You can see here, we came back inside the range, backtested the low, came back up inside again, breakthrough, nice little 1, 2, 3 move to the upside. We came all the way back up to the previous swing high again. We tapped that overall bear market resistance of the previous bear market here for XRP. Very interesting indeed. But we came back inside the range, backtested it, and now looking like we're coming back down to retest this low of the range again. You can see we formed the range here, and we came back inside it here, retest, and now retesting this low. And that brings us to where we are today. As I said before, I do have a long position ready on that 0.23 Fibonacci that did get triggered here, and I'm currently in this long position. Came into a little bit of profit and now back at around break even. Obviously, with Bitcoin having a little bit of a rollover, altcoins do tend to freak out and move to the downside as well. But really, you can see here for XRP, we are just coming back down again. Lots of back testing and wicking up off that 0.23 Fibonacci level. And I do think a retest up at this level here is probably more likely than a rollover back inside the previous range, in my opinion. Especially with the XRP, the Ripple Labs case coming to a conclusion fairly soon, in my opinion as well, from what I've seen. Really, XRP just chopping sideways still in this market, but really right now we are just waiting and seeing what happens. A little bit of a look at the hourly time frame gives us a bit more granular detail about what we're talking about here as well. You can see backtest, 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 and every single time that we have come down to this level, we have bounced to the upside as well. Currently in a little bit of a range like this, aren't we? Just going sideways for the most part, but I do think we'll probably backtest and get a bit of continuation here, in my opinion. But if we do roll over back inside this range, I mean, we could see ourselves coming back down, at least back down into those 30-cent area, maybe 35 cents here would be the next swing low target if that was the case. But really, right now, I think we're probably looking more likely to target that 55-cent level back at the top of the range. So that is it for today, guys. As always, thank you very much for watching. Please do like and subscribe. Really helps out the channel. Become a YouTube member if you want to get a bit more of an edge on the markets. And with all that being said, I will see you in the next video.